Hi everyone, a warm welcome to all. On 28th of November, we have Scorpio new moon at 4 degrees in Anuradha Nakshatra, where Sun moon will be with Mercury at 3 degrees in Scorpio and Mars at 17 degrees in Scorpio. Saturn, the nakshatra lord of this new moon, is almost stationary and about to go direct on 28th of November, and this is the key point of this new moon. Expect some turning point in these next 15 days in the matter related to Saturn and its significations in our chart. These 15 days can serve as the bridge between our patience and our progress. What starts now may grow slowly but steadily after Saturn's direct motion. Also, on a positive note, retrograde Jupiter in Cancer has aspect on the planets in Scorpio, and that is Sun, Moon, Mercury and Mars, along with Saturn, Neptune in Pisces, and also the most transformative planet Pluto in Capricorn. And all these planets are close to this 4 degrees. Even if things feel little uncertain, Jupiter's retro aspect reminds us that inner reflection leads to outer solutions. See, all the water signs are connected here, amplifying our intuition and emotional cleansing. Pluto triggers forceful and unavoidable restructuring here. But then Jupiter's aspect can balance Scorpio's strong control, power, and emotional extremes. Rather, Jupiter's aspect can uplift us with faith, wisdom, and learning from our past experiences. Secondly, Uranus, Mercury, Neptune, Saturn, and Pluto are close to 4 degrees. This will activate any planet close to 4 degree in our personal chart, assuring some event. See, it is ruled by this new moon is ruled by Anuradha Nakshatra, the star of friendships, devotion, and loyalty, whose deity is Mitra, the god of harmony and trust. Anuradha means the one who follows Radha. This reflects faith that endures through all the trials, all the problems. The symbol is a lotus flower, and that shows the ability to rise above any muddy waters and bloom with purity. Anuradha teaches how to keep the heart open even after experiencing emotional storms. See, Anuradha is blend of Scorpio's emotional depth, passion, and Saturn's discipline, creating a bridge between the responsibility and love, between passion and patience. Here, the faith is born through experience and can heal our emotional wounds. This rebuilds our trust and commit to something very meaningful with both heart and wisdom. It is best to use this friendly energy of Anuradha in the upcoming time to handle any tough or uncertainty of life. Also, this new moon activates the natural 2 and 8 axis of the zodiac, that is Taurus and Scorpio sign. This is the best time to bring balance between stability and surrender. Taurus holds what we value and treasure that, while Scorpio teaches us to let go when holding becomes heavy. When these two fixed signs gets activated, there are moments of release and rebuilding again. Observe what we cling to for our own security and find courage in changing what is necessary here. As moon travels from Scorpio to Taurus, moon will connect with Saturn, its nakshatra lord, several times, and those are the days when we can get some clue of what we can expect out of this new moon. Let us see how Scorpio new moon will impact us personally, and do check Scorpio sign along with Saturn ruled signs, that is Capricorn and Aquarius, for this impact. This time demands to renew our faith in what sustains after any change that is happening in our life. It is not just about endings here, it is about rediscovering our devotion and discipline of life. Stationary Saturn stabilizes our emotions into something very solid and lasting here. Each moon and Saturn connection in this next 15 days will repeat those lessons, reminding us that patience, responsibility, and faith are the foundation of true rebirth in life. Start with Aries. For Aries, this new moon triggers long overdue changes related to your deepest fears, health, and finances. Emotional intensity may rise as hidden fears, power struggles in work, or trust issues can resurface now. Do let go of what no longer supports your emotional growth. Saturn's stationary influence urges some maturity in handling your career, your finances, and especially your emotional dependency. Clear clutter from the house and also from your mind. Avoid any reaction that is very impulsive in nature and release your stress. Taurus, the focus is on yourself, your health, on your close relationships, self worth, and bringing balance in all these matters with this new moon. You may feel the need to renegotiate your boundaries or redefine something in your partnerships. With Saturn slowing down, commitments are tested here. Only sincere bonds will strengthen. But in any case, avoid being stubborn and allow some emotional honesty to maintain harmony in life. Gemini, for you, the new moon touches your sixth house of work, your health, your daily routine, and work life balance. Emotional healing begins through healthy discipline and mindfulness. Saturn's slow movement brings karmic lessons about how best to manage your stress, simplify your routine, and reflect on your frequent worries. Yoga or some breathing exercises may help release your nervous tensions and align mind body balance always. Cancer, this time activates your creativity, joy, love of life, and self expression. You may rediscover your old passion or feel drawn to express your heart differently now. Saturn's pause reminds you that love matures with patience and discipline. Do engage in some art, music, or even prayer if that gives you peace of mind. Spend time with children, some research activity with stock market, or your pets. They reflect your inner joy. Avoid memories that trap you. Rather channel it into some creativity. Leo, the new moon brings emotional reflection on your home, your roots, property matters, and your inner peace. Something in your foundation, your family ties, or emotional security may need some renewal or some changes here. Saturn can test your emotional endurance but also can bring some wisdom to you. Declutter your home, any fear or insecurity of finances. Family conversation may heal some long standing misunderstanding if it is approached gently. Virgo, the focus is on your short travels, your communication, mindset, and your close relationships. Your words carry karmic weight now, and this is a testing time for your courage and strength also. Saturn demands for careful speech and disciplined thinking. Before reacting, pause and breathe. Think twice. Stay positive and replace your fear with faith. Avoid overthinking as simplicity clears any confusion. Libra, the focus is on family values and your self esteem, your finances, and your concerns related to all these matters. Your emotional security can undergo some re evaluation. Saturn can test what you truly value versus what you cling to out of just habit. Do review your spending patterns and practice gratitude for what you have. Listening to some soft instrumental music can help you restore inner calm and peace of mind. Scorpio, this is your new moon, a powerful emotional rebirth. Both sun and moon align in your sign, joined by Mercury and your own Lord Mars. A deep internal shift, transformation can happen, guided by Saturn's stationary wisdom. You are reclaiming your power through self awareness this time. Rest and hydrate well, drink lot of water. Avoid any impulsive action and stay grounded. Walking in nature and staying flexible will help you the most. Sagittarius, this new moon initiates some deep spiritual cleansing. Your old fears and deep emotions can be released during this time. Saturn's aspect brings clarity through solitude. Your dreams may carry some important messages from your higher self. Keep a track on it as they may signal something very important. Practice forgiveness and spend time in nature to recharge yourself. Capricorn, this time activates your desires, your aspirations of life. It is a wish fulfillment time that changes your social circle and your network. You may redefine your friendships or any collaborative goals. Saturn, your ruler, turning direct helps you to realign your long term vision with some reality. Do reconnect with authentic people. Avoid controlling outcomes, rather, allow gradual progress here. Symbolically, you can plant a seed, and that represents your new goal of life. Aquarius, this new moon impacts your 10th house of your career, your purpose of life with Saturn as the nakshatra lord, your own lord also. This is karmically significant for you. Responsibilities may change now, or you may feel to realign your professional path, change something in your career. Do reflect before making any big decisions or any big career moves. Do seek feedback from your mentors or your family members. Establish a daily structure, some discipline that supports both your purpose and your peace of mind. Pisces, the new moon triggers and changes your beliefs and your direction. This is a very good time for strengthening your courage. Saturn in your sign, nearly stationary, deepens the introspection in your life. Your faith, your philosophy, or your worldviews may be transforming from here. Do read something uplifting or some ancient wisdom text can help you. You can go for some short travel also. But in any case, avoid escapism. Rather, channel your sensitivity into some study or some creative writing also. That was all about the impact on all the signs. And to summarize, this Scorpio new moon teaches that transformation is not loss, it is just refinement. Here, our emotional depth seeks some stability. Under Anuradha's guidance, we learn true devotion arises after we have walked through some changes and still choose to love, still choose the truth of life and loyalty in that. Stationary Saturn turns our patience into power, and Jupiter's aspect turns reflection into wisdom here. And by the Taurus full moon, clarity returns like calm, fixed water or fixed emotions, clear emotions. By this time, we have Mercury also direct. So move through these 2 weeks gently. Let endings find closure. Let new beginnings emerge naturally here. Trust the rhythm of time, as the message of Anuradha is very clear. Through the depth comes devotion, and through devotion, we can get real peace of mind. That was all about Scorpio new moon in Anuradha Nakshatra. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone with this new moon. Thank you for your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.